2026 is bringing some seriously exciting motorcycles. From sleek sport bikes to versatile adventure cruisers, these are the 7 bikes you absolutely have to ride this year. Let's kick things off with number 7. At number 7, 2026 Triumph Trident 660, a bike that perfectly blends style, performance, and everyday usability. This is the year it's finally hitting the roads with all its latest updates, and riders are already excited. The 660 cubic centimeters inline-3 engine delivers smooth, lively power that's easy to manage, yet thrilling when you want it. It's lightweight, agile, and designed so that both newer and experienced riders feel confident right from the first ride. In 2026, the Trident 660 comes with upgraded electronics, refined suspension, and a sharper chassis setup, giving riders a modern, responsive feel without compromising comfort. Its sleek design and aggressive lines also make it one of the most eye-catching naked bikes on the market this year. Mechanics love it because it's simple to maintain, with minimal hassle and proven reliability. Fuel efficiency, smooth throttle response, and durable components make it one of those bikes you can just ride day after day without worrying about frequent servicing. It's approachable for city commutes, capable on twisty roads, and still exciting enough to feel sporty when you open it up. In short, the 2026 Triumph Trident 660 isn't just a great bike. It's a bike that's ready for the year ahead and built to make every ride enjoyable. At number 6, 2026 Triumph Tiger Sport 660. A bike that's perfectly built for riders who want adventure and versatility without compromise. This year, the Tiger Sport 660 comes with refined handling, updated electronics, and subtle styling tweaks that make it even more appealing on the streets and highways. Its 660 cubic centimeters inline-3 engine delivers smooth, responsive power, enough to feel exciting yet easy to control for riders of all experience levels. In 2026, Triumph has tuned it for even better torque at low and mid-range, giving riders confidence in city traffic, twisty roads, or long commutes. The Tiger Sport 660 is lightweight for its class, yet feels planted and stable at speed. Its adjustable suspension, comfortable seating, and modern ergonomics make it one of the most versatile cruisers you can hop on this year. Mechanics love it because the engine and components are proven and durable. Fewer surprises, less downtime. Fuel efficiency and minimal maintenance make it perfect for riders who want to focus on enjoying the ride, not fixing the bike. Whether it's a weekend adventure, daily commuting, or spirited canyon rides, the 2026 Tiger Sport 660 delivers performance, comfort, and reliability in a way that keeps riders coming back for more. At number 5, 2026 Yamaha YZF-R7. A sport bike that's already turning heads this year for its blend of performance, style, and accessibility. In 2026, the R7 comes with refined electronics, improved suspension, and a lightweight chassis that makes it even more thrilling yet easy to handle. Powered by a 689 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine, it delivers smooth torque and punchy acceleration. Perfect for twisty roads or city riding. The riding position is sporty but not extreme, so you can enjoy performance without sacrificing comfort on longer rides. Yamaha has designed the R7 to be approachable for both newer riders and experienced enthusiasts, making it one of the most anticipated sport bikes of 2026. Its lightweight, nimble handling, and predictable braking inspire confidence and make it fun in every corner. Mechanics appreciate the R7 because it's simple, reliable, and built on a proven platform. Very few surprises, minimal maintenance. Even after months of riding, the bike stays responsive, consistent, and exciting. Everything you want from a modern sport motorcycle. With aggressive styling, a sharp tail section, and aerodynamic details, the 2026 R7 isn't just fun to ride, it looks amazing on the street too. For riders seeking a thrilling, dependable sport experience in 2026, the Yamaha YZF-R7 delivers everything you could hope for in one sleek package. At number 4, 2026 Kawasaki Z900 RSS BS. A retro-modern naked bike that combines classic style with contemporary performance. For 2026, Kawasaki has refined the SE model with updated electronics, ABS enhancements, and subtle design tweaks that make it even more desirable. Its 948 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine delivers smooth, powerful performance across the rev range, making it perfect for both city rides and highway cruising. Despite its sporty character, the Z900 RSS SE is incredibly approachable, giving riders confidence whether they're seasoned or just stepping up from smaller bikes. The seating position is upright and comfortable, while the suspension absorbs bumps efficiently, making long rides easier on the body. Mechanics love this bike too. Proven reliability, minimal maintenance, and a platform that has already earned praise for its durability. The SE trim adds premium touches like upgraded suspension, adjustable ergonomics, and stylish finishes, keeping it visually striking while improving ride quality. With its timeless retro-inspired design, modern features, and dependable engineering, the 2026 Z900 RSS BS is a bike that riders are excited to own this year. If you want a motorcycle that balances classic charm with modern tech, comfort, and performance, the Kawasaki Z900 RSS BS is one of the most anticipated rides of 2026, and it won't disappoint. At number 3, 2026 Honda XL750 Transalp, a versatile adventure cruiser that's already turning heads this year. The Transalp has always been known for blending comfort, performance, and reliability, and the 2026 version takes it to the next level with refined handling and updated electronics. It's powered by Honda's 755 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, tuned for smooth, manageable power that's perfect for long rides, city streets, and twisty backroads alike. Despite being a mid-weight adventure bike, it feels light and agile, giving riders confidence in every turn. For 2026, Honda has improved suspension ergonomics and rider aids, making it more comfortable and accessible for all kinds of riders. Mechanics love the Transalp because it's low maintenance, durable, and uses proven Honda engineering that rarely causes headaches. The seating position is upright and comfortable, ideal for long journeys without fatigue. With its rugged styling, modern features, and dependable performance, the XL750 Transalp is the kind of bike you can ride daily or on weekend adventures and still enjoy every mile. If you want a 2026 motorcycle that balances reliability, versatility, and long-distance comfort, the Honda XL750 Transalp is a top choice, one you'll be excited to ride all year long. At number 2, 2026 Triumph Scrambler 900. A modern classic that blends retro style with impressive 2026 performance upgrades. The Scrambler 900 has always been loved for its versatility and personality, and this year's model is even more anticipated with refined electronics and enhanced suspension. Its 900 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine delivers smooth torque and responsive low to mid-range power, making it perfect for twisty roads, city streets, and casual off-road fun. Despite its sporty character, the Scrambler remains approachable. Riders of all experience levels feel confident behind the handlebars. For 2026, Triumph has fine-tuned the suspension, braking, and rider aids, giving a more controlled, comfortable, and enjoyable ride than ever before. Mechanics love it too. Simple, durable engineering that's easy to maintain and built to last. The Scrambler 900 also shines in style, classic round headlight, upright riding position, and rugged finishes that make it stand out on every street. It's a bike that combines fun, reliability, and timeless design in one package. Exactly what riders are looking forward to this year. If you want a 2026 motorcycle that's versatile, exciting, and built to last, the Triumph Scrambler 900 is a perfect choice, and one you won't want to miss on the road. At number 1, 2026 Kawasaki H2SEABS, a supercharged naked bike that's already making waves even before hitting the streets. This year, the H2SE comes with advanced electronics, ABS, and refined suspension, making it both thrilling and surprisingly manageable for riders who crave performance. Its 998 cubic centimeter supercharged inline-4 engine delivers an insane surge of power, smooth torque, and that unmistakable H2 roar that turns heads everywhere. Despite the sheer performance, Kawasaki has designed it to be stable, predictable, and controllable, so you can enjoy every mile safely and confidently. The ZH2SE's aggressive styling, wide stance, and premium components make it one of the most anticipated motorcycles of 2026. Mechanics also praise its build quality, high-end engineering that's durable and reliable for those who truly love to ride hard. For 2026, riders can expect sharp handling, updated electronics, and adjustable riding modes, making it perfect for city streets, twisty roads, or open highways. It's not just about speed. It's about combining cutting-edge technology, style, and performance in one unforgettable package. If you want the ultimate 2026 ride, powerful, thrilling, and impossible to ignore, the Kawasaki H2SEABS BS is the one you need to put on your radar this year. Comment below, like, and subscribe for more countdowns. Ride safe, and see you in the next one.